Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will explain how to install Roblox on Nintendo Switch or Switch 2 and what you can do if Roblox is not available on your device. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Nintendo Switch. Afterwards, you need to go to the shop section or the Nintendo eShop. Now here in the search bar, you just have to simply type Roblox. Now, once you are able to find Roblox, you just have to simply click on that and basically you need to see if it is available or not. As you can see, after searching for Roblox, it shows me that it is available for the direct download. But for that, you need to pay $1.99. So you just have to make the payment and then you will be able to download it. So if you too are able to see it over here, you just have to simply click on the direct download button after purchasing it and install it like you download any other application. After installing, simply open it and sign in into your Roblox account. Now, if Roblox doesn't appear in the eShop, that means Roblox is currently not officially available for your Switch model or in your region. So in that case, you can't actually install it directly because Nintendo only allows the applications that are officially supported in the eShop. So the best legal alternative is to use another supported device. You can play Roblox on mobile, PC, Xbox, or PlayStations, and you can even use the same Roblox account. If you want to play on a big screen, you can connect your phone to the TV and then you can use a controller if it is supported in the game. Now, if Roblox becomes available later for a Nintendo Switch or Switch 2, it will also show directly in the eShop section. So you just have to keep on checking the updates as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.